Saturday, 5 p.m. Diba? Hello mga ka-winners. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Guam para mag-celebrate ng Labor Day. Maraming salamat Lord sa blessings. Ito po. Napakaganda. If I remember right, dun sa kabilang huli ng Hilton, nasa kabilang side ko papunta sa south, diba? So dumating po ako kanina dito mga 4 a.m. and tomorrow uwi na po ako. Saturday 5 p.m. diba? Just for relaxation talaga. God told me to take a rest. Volunteers planting something. Sa mga nakakakilala po sa akin, there are things in life na talaga very unpredictable. Like sa ibang tao might have a hard time, or should I say difficult time losing 2 jobs in 1 month. Pero ako, I took it positively kasi pakiramdam ko God is telling me to slow down, step back, and assess what's happening in life, and made me realize, why am I working so hard? Sabi ko, bakit nga ba? Then everything went to my head, to my heart, and says, it's my family. So ngayon, kailangan ko na talagang mag-relax, mag-step back, and make sure I spend more time with my family, my kids, and fix whatever should be fixed, because si Lord is always blessing me and my family. So kayo, kuha ko sa inyo, just hold on to your faith. Winner talaga si Lord. Thank you, thank you. I will not complain. I will never complain.
Another one bites the dust. Right here.
Tatandaan lang po natin, when things is going wrong, all you have to do is step back, breathe, pray, and thank God. Everything will be okay. Trust me.